things they solve for this country. Just watch this.
Atiku Abubakar Sowore or Tinubu? Who are you voting for?
Tinubu.
Tinubu. Why Tinubu though?
Tinubu na Yoruba man, me have Yoruba. That's the only reason.
We need a new government. For me now, if you ask me who to vote, I will vote for Peter Obi.
Peter Obi. Why Peter Obi?
Because I know Peter Obi. If it's Peter Obi in this country, I know like things will be more better.
Where are you from, my brother?
I'm Igbo boy.
Are you sure it's not because you are
No, I'm
Igbo?
not doing tribalism. Anybody, even show anybody that can make this Nigeria to be more better.
Tinubu.
Why Tinubu though?
I like Tinubu is my double language now. My double language, my Yoruba language now.
What is the main reason you are voting for him?
I just like him.
Because he's from your...
My Yoruba language now, my tribe.
So now Yoruba, they vote for you. Don't care about the state of Nigeria?
No, I care about the state of Nigeria now. That one don't concern me. This is my state. If you another person, Tribalism can do it.
So before you go around being ballistic and firing your shot, just calm down. Understand clearly that these guys, they are not speaking of themselves. They are speaking of an agenda that has been passed on to them. It's a bad thing. Tribalism has been cooked because they know the only way that they will be able to sustain themselves in power is to sell these tribalistic, right, ethnocentric tendencies. I've said it consistently here, that the 2023 elections was first slaughtered on the altar of tribalism. The Nigerian youth, the Nigerian society vowed to end the reign of this corrupt politician, especially the APC. And then when the guys noticed that they were losing grip of whatever metrics, whatever lies, whatever propaganda, deceit, they saw tribalism. And that's why it became difficult to break certain areas. Not because the person that was being projected had solutions to the problems. And 3 years later, you can see that we are worse off than we were before. They saw tribalism. And it's okay to lash at these guys, but you must understand the mental work that these guys have done in forcing these guys to believe that the only way that they can survive is that the tribal person is in power. See the IQ of an average Southeasterner, an average. Of course, we now have more of these guys in Lagos and other parts of Southwest. Unfortunately, the Yoruba elite system, very educated elite, they are grooming a very cruel, crude, tout, agbero, uneducated young society. This thing.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com so that people go dey buy from you plenty.
If you want to know that there is no law in Nigeria, rich and the elite, they get away with anything, watch this video where a senator is threatening to buy Osun State people if they come out for election. Watch it.
Tí a bá tún bú akọ́ọ̀dù kankan nílé Ṣàǹdù yìí. Ìbò tá a máa dì í. Ìbò ilé ẹ̀rù kọ́ọ̀dù mi ò kẹ́lẹ́ sọ́dọ̀ níbi. Ìgbà tá a sọ, a ní fìlà burúkú dáńdé, fìlà yẹ́lò fìlà jẹ́ńdìsì, fìlà ẹranko, ẹranko ló ń wà ní.
Assistant Senator, if we are to be in a better country, it will be in cell this night. In fact, DSS go don carry am since. And now watch Djchicken wey talk say he won't buy president's son. He no reach 48 hours, he don't reach jail.
Hey, what's you? Tinubu. Oh, the wale o. O down you. Tó bá wọlé, máa pàṣẹ yìí Tinubu. Ó tán.
Kàníyàn ọlọ́pàá kan gbogbo ọlọ́pàá tó wà Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti di 419 olórí ìbúrú ìka ṣe Tinubu yẹ tí ẹ̀ wò pé Buhari kú kò mú pa lọ́sọ̀rùn ìyàwó Buhari wọ́n ti ń dúró pàǹsì sí àti àfọlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó gbọ̀n pa ẹsẹ̀ ìlà ilé ìkànnìyàn.
Djchicken is now with the authorities. He was arrested at Ikeja. He's now at Ikeja police headquarters, but I'm very sure it is DSS. And so he was arrested in connection with the statements he made some days ago about the son of the president,
You know how many days or weeks he spent in jail? Because Djchicken no be senator. Djchicken no dey elite class. So in Nigeria, they have one law for the rich and one law for the poor. That is why the country.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, Go and search for it in findamnow.com.
I went to Court of Appeal. 5 judges that never met gave judgment in my favor. So if you look at that and look at what is happening today in Nigeria, where professors are now aiding illiterates to rig election, where our lawmakers have removed forgery as an offense in electoral matter. And senior advocates of Nigeria are defending forgery. Our religious leaders are now praying for criminal politicians for blessing. We have a crisis. And above all, our judges are now singing, "For your mandate we stand."
Hello, everyone. Of Vancouver. Do you know I was supposed to do this video hours ago? Immediately the video that came out. It wasn't even from here. Mama P, put it out because they had gone with Mr. Peter Obi to Bauchi. They were together, so they put out like, this is so apt. I need to do it. But hey, so many things. I was, at the office and campaign is on. As it is, a lot of things. I mean, short. I'm so tired. I'm sure you guys have seen it. You've not seen me really, being online. It's just, I just don't know to even talk myself. Like, the thing I think that is getting me the most is the fact that, what is it to say that you've not said? So it's almost as if one is just repeating oneself and they're like, is this how you just continue to do? But anyway, this one, and as I was sitting there, the matter is, the matter is worrying you in your head. It's going through your head because this is really something. I'm just like, okay, let me just do this video right now. I'm actually doing my homework. I have a lot of assignments, a lot of gradable forum. Next month, in a month's time, I'm writing my exam. I was supposed to write this exam in May. I had to defer it, and that's the most annoying thing. I've done all my homework, my assignments, my everything. Now I have to do everything again. Oh, Lord have mercy. By deferring, because during all of that election, primaries, wahala, and everything.
Download Find Them Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services, and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
My attention has been drawn to the video of Governor Adeleke, governor for Osun State, responding to Governor Multilevel of Edo State. I think in a town hall meeting somewhere in Osogbo, preparation for the elections. And I'm going to allow you to see a snippet of that video, but let me acknowledge the fact that I'm disappointed, terribly disappointed with Governor Adeleke. But let's see a snippet of that video. Then we'll come back and look at why I'm disappointed and what should be done better moving forward.
You don't know me. I'm a bulldozer. They don't call me Action Jackson for nothing. I'm a bulldozer. What does that got to do? If they lie, let them bring all the 30-something governors. They are all my friends. After they go on the stage, they even come and say, "We are just playing,
Quiet in the audience, please.
I can assure you, are they the one to come and vote in Osun State? They are not the one to come and vote now. They call it party intrigues. All that one is funfair. I'm here to support our party, and that's it. At least most of them are well educated. They are very stable. Not one governor that comes to my state or whatever I do. Man, what type of name is that? You came to my state. You did not have, when someone want to come to your state, me as a sitting governor, you're supposed to have clearance. These people are not civilized. I'm a civilized administrator. 2 years ago, when I was in PDP, they made me the chairman of a governorship committee. You know what I did? Immediately I landed Ondo, I went to ask Aye Dachua. A lot of people are saying, no, we are not in different, we are different political parties. I said, no, he's the governor. I have to go and tell him that I'm in his state, to come and support my candidate. And I went to the state house to tell him. And we greeted each other and I left. That is what civilized people, that's what they do. So all these ones that come over here, let them come and dance in Osun State. They are not.
Download Find Them Now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go dey buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.